Out this inline debris filter on the main line. We've got an issue here where the filter's clogged up a little bit and is affecting the flow of our sprinkler system. First we're going to shut off the main line here. There's a shut off valve right in front of the filter. We're going to release the pressure off this filter. And hopefully this spins right off. And as you can see, our filter's full of junk. Alright, once the filter was removed, I just took a rag and scrubbed all the debris off the inside and the outside until you can see through it again. And now installation is just the reverse. Filter first. Lid. And the collar. And we need to restore water at the very end, so we're going to turn that back on.